None can destroy iron, but its own rust can. Likewise, none can destroy a person, but his own mindset can. Hello, ladies and gentlemen, this is me Prachi Singh, and I am here to deliver some of my words on the very crucial topic of all times. This is what is moral education? Or we can say, what do you know about moral education? What do you mean about moral education? But before that, let me thank my teacher, Mr. Mukesh Goswami sir, who gave me the opportunity to be here and to lead this session. Now, let me tell you what is education. Education is not a thing that you think, it is more of it. Education is something that makes you yours. Education is something that help you, that could provide you a way to achieve something, to be a person who can just help the society as a whole. So, talking about education, I just gave you the answer. Education is the most important medium to be what you actually want in your life, to be as a medium to change the social outlook, to change the society and bring up your country and world as a whole. Now, let's come to the point. What is moral education? Moral education is about teaching people to be good humans. It's about learning to be kind, to give people respect. Now I would like to call my first pillar. Her name is Beauty. So big hands for Beauty.
Hello, Prachi.
Hello, Beauty.
Thanks for calling me. Hello, I wish very good morning to all of you. First of all, thank you so because you have considered me worthy for this. Today I have come here because today I have to share some points about moral education. Then first and foremost, I would like to say that what's a moral education? Moral education is teaching and developing a person understanding of the mutual values, means what is right and what is wrong, as well as to help them make good and perfect choice. In moral education, we have to understand the correct principle of life. We have to learn morality, as well as we have to understand how them take actions and decisions. Now I want to indicate in ancient time what used to happen at that time. Back in ancient time, moral education was focused on virtuous, duty and obedience. People were taught the importance of justice, loyalty and truth. They obeyed the importance of personal qualities like self-discipline, courage and respect for elders as well as youngers. They believed strongly in duties to parents, family and society, so much so that they know how to control our society in front of elders. Have you heard this point that if money is lost, nothing is lost. If health is lost, something is lost. But if character is lost, everything is lost. In the same way, we can consider the moral education like a character. And if due to lack of moral education, we have to face lots of problems, such as our society, nation and international can't be developed. That's why we should have moral education. It's my little bit information about moral education. Thank you guys.
Well done, Beauty. You spoke very well. Now, I want to add more points about what are the effects of moral education. Moral education makes human kind and caring, respectful and responsible, self-aware and confident, good friends and good citizen. It helps us to become the best version of ourselves. Now, I would like to call my second pillar. Her name is Saloni. So big hands for Saloni. Please tell us about your opinion.
Yes, why not? Hello, good evening to all of you. Moral education is relatively a new concept that has been developed in the last 2 decades. Moral education is the process of teaching people how to act appropriately and how to behave towards the people. Moral educations come in a new generation. You all know that it is a modern generation, and in this time there is a new word came. It's like a moral education, because earlier there was no any need for the moral education, but now at time it's a very crucial point about the moral education, and it's a big discussion topic also. Now at time in every schools there is a subject like a moral education, and teacher taught the students about the moral education to become a good person and to become a respectable person. Why? Because now at time they don't have idea about the moral educations, because now at time they all read about the modern science and technology, and about the moral education they don't have idea. That is why teacher teach in their childhood how to sit and how to behave and how to obey the teachers and parents also. But when they are grow up, they enter into their colleges, they forget all of these things because they thought we are in the modern generation and now at time there is no need for the moral education. And when any person follow the moral education, they think about they are in old generation. And if they have if they don't have moral education, they will become a modernization and they will be a modern person. Thank you. It's my simple introduction, a simple thought about the moral education.
Well done, Saloni, you spoke very well. Now, I would like to add some more points about why everyone should learn about moral education. Moral education is essential for creating a society that values respect, kindness, and responsibility. And it helps us to become the best version of ourselves and make the world a better place for everyone. Knowing about moral education is important because it helps us to understand what is right and what is wrong, teaches us to think critically and make good decisions, encourages us to treat others with respect and kindness. Now I would like to call my third pillar. Her name is Preeti. So big hands for Preeti.
Thank you, sir, for giving me this golden chance. Moral education is all about behavior. Future moral education is likely to involve technical, social, and environmental change. As the world becomes more interconnected, global in scope, and technically advanced, the focus of moral education may shift toward. In an increasing moral education emphasizes the shared human value and respect and empathy for diverse culture. A student may not like to learn about national boundaries and recognize the interdependence of global communities in addressing challenges, inequality, climate change, and peace building. This will require for communicating the traditional ethical teaching and innovative ideas in 21st century. Thank you.
Well done, Preeti. You tried very well. I hope you will do more better next time.
Yes.
Now, I would like to add more points about moral education. Why honesty, kindness, and respect is important. Honesty helps build trust, shows respect for others, makes you a better person. Kindness makes others happy, creates a positive impact, makes a world a better place. Respect treats others the way they want to be treated. Show your care about others' feeling, makes relationship stronger. At last, I want to conclude that moral education is very important in our life. It is important to take right decision for our life and our society, for our development of sense and self-respect, and what is right and what is wrong. Thanks. It's my simple opinion about moral education. If you like our video, please like, share, and subscribe. Thank you.